Everyone, I'm Rod Carter.
And I'm Angela Taylor. In North Carolina, nearly 7 million doses of the vaccine have been put into arms. That means nearly 30% of the population is fully vaccinated. But vaccine sites all over the Triangle say they're seeing fewer people showing up.
Yeah, new at 11, CBS 17's Mackenzie Stasko is live, digging deeper into how the slowdown could actually slow down the state's reopening on June 1st. Mackenzie.
Yeah, well, state leaders have been saying all along that the vaccine is key to reopening the state and bringing us some sense of normalcy. But the problem, though, as you mentioned, is that the demand for it is dropping, and that's exactly what we saw today in Raleigh.
This clinic in Raleigh had 200 doses of the Moderna vaccine available. Danny Ballard got one of them.
We only waited so long because we only just became eligible as of the beginning of April.
The Wake County Health Department provided the vaccines, but people weren't lining up to get one.
Is demand down? Yes. Is there more supply than there is those to be able to vaccinate in Wake County? Yes.
Counties across the state are experiencing the same kind of slowdown. But Governor Roy Cooper says he won't lift the mask mandate until at least 2/3 of adults have taken the vaccine. Wake County's vaccine lead tells me he isn't concerned and says about 40% of people in the county are partially vaccinated.
What is the county's plan to reach that 2/3 mark?
Yeah, it's kind of we have kind of different plays that we're going to play for different groups.
One of the main groups they'll prioritize is people who are 50 to 64 years old.
That age group is also still at risk for being hospitalized and potentially dying from COVID-19.
Another focus will be reaching people who are 24 to 49. Most of the active COVID cases in the county are from people in that age range.
I think it's achievable to get to 66% or 2/3. I really do.
And to put some of those numbers into perspective, statewide, nearly 38% of people have been partially vaccinated, meaning they've had at least one shot of the COVID-19 vaccine, and nearly 30% of people here in North Carolina are fully vaccinated. Live in Raleigh, Mackenzie Stasko, CBS 17 News.